Rock on, the cool way to encourage. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll dive into a popular English phrase that you might have heard in music, movies, or even in casual conversations. It's rock on. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know when and how to use it. So, let's get started. To truly grasp the phrase, rock on, we first need to understand the word, rock. Literally, a rock is a hard substance that makes up mountains and the Earth's crust. However, in the context of our phrase, rock is taken from the music genre rock and roll. This genre is known for its energetic and rebellious spirit. When someone says, "You rock," it means, "You're great," or "You're awesome." Over time, the association of rock with high energy and positive vibes led to the creation of the phrase, rock on. It's an encouragement, much like saying, "Keep going," or "Keep doing what you're doing because it's great." Rock on is informal and best suited for casual settings. Here are some examples. 1. After watching a friend's amazing guitar performance, you can exclaim, "Rock on. That was incredible." 2. If a colleague shares good news about a personal achievement, you might say, "That's fantastic news." Rock on. It's a versatile phrase and can be used in various contexts to show support, admiration, or encouragement. And there we have it. Now you know the meaning behind the phrase, rock on, and how to use it in your conversations. Remember, it's all about giving encouragement and positive vibes. So, the next time you want to cheer someone on, just tell them to rock on. We hope this video has been enlightening for you. Keep learning and, of course, rock on.